Hello, my name is Kate White. I'm the director for the Center for Pre and Perinatal Programs and the director and founder of the Prenatal and Perinatal Somatics Institute. And we have submitted a poster for the Postpartum Support International called When the Story Hurts, Somatic Skills for Restoring the Birthing Family After Trauma. We have found that of the almost 4 million babies that are born every year in the United States, about 90% of them are born in hospital. Those families often report, about 45% of them, that their births were traumatic, with up to 60% saying they've had experiences within those births that were traumatic. And we know that postpartum mental health issues are very much an awareness of in our country right now, and that they're costing our economy up to $32 billion. This accounts for the health of families starting before birth up to when the child is age 5. We know that we can mitigate a lot of the challenges for families by working with birth trauma. In our poster, we define what trauma can be for birth, that it is in the person, not in the event. So we call that in the eye of the beholder. But it often has to deal with the way families are treated at births, as well as birth injuries. So the poster is about our model of care. We have found that families often think that they're the ones that have done something wrong, and they kind of turn in upon themselves, and they create a narrative about what happened. So our model is a somatic model. It addresses morbidity, and not just birth injuries, but really how birthing families feel after they've had a challenging birth. And we particularly use a model that helps map out what happened. We help them make sense of what happened. We affirm the challenges because not often hospital staff are not allocated, nor often are they allowed to really talk about the challenges of what happens at births. So our professionals are trained to do that, and we are able to really recognize what happens, really affirm what happens in their nervous system, explain their autonomic nervous systems to stress and threat. And we are able to really help them understand where in each part of the birth sequence were their challenges and help them find their strengths as well. Our model is a somatic one, meaning we work with the body and the body's stress and threat responses, but through sensation. And we recognize that the body gets into states, and the states can be identified appropriately. We have 5 different categories of skills that we teach. These include skills of presence, skills of listening, skills of relationship, skills of recognition, and skills of conversation. Mostly what we have is a facilitated experience where we normalize the challenges, we support families in their desire for what it is they want for themselves. And we use inquiry and guided facilitation to help integrate the state that their body gets in from these challenging experiences. So our new model of care, it starts preconception and it also includes the baby's experience. We also have a commitment to helping staff understand their responses as well. So it's a holistic model, and I hope you will enjoy the poster, and do contact me if you have any questions. You can see more about me at ppncenter.com, ppncenter, or the Prenatal and Perinatal Somatics Institute. And once again, my name is Kate White, and you can email me at ppncenter@gmail.com.